Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Resurrection Parish here in Canton, Michigan, standing close to the altar here up front in the sanctuary. And I got to address students from age 6 to parents and different members of the parish, all the way up to some of the elderly here at the church community. And the focus tonight was on positive life choices, being our best self. And like I talk about, our absolute best and never nothing less is what we have to give with each and every breath. And our perfect example, right, that teaches us to always give our best effort, Christ, right? That we know that anything that we go through, any storm, any struggle, any difficulty, that we can always choose to turn to Him in those times of need. And like the shirt says for the talk today, keep your head up upside down on purpose. It's a reminder that we always think positive no matter what. And always make that choice to know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting, it's giving up. So as long as we don't give up, as long as we keep giving our best effort, then God has the outcome. And we have to understand that excellence, it's not being the best, it's doing our best, and then we rest. And we use all the gifts that we talked about with 1 Peter, all of our spiritual gifts, to better those around us and to serve one another, and knowing that doing our best, it's not just our best effort, but now it's helping others become their best too, right? Being the light to their hearts, being that beacon of hope. We also spoke about Matthew 14, that we're the light of the world, and we have to let that light shine. And so right around the start of 2020, here in Michigan, southeast Michigan, there were so many people that came up to me after, said that it really touched their heart, and they want to go out, and they're inspired now to go help someone else out. And that's really what Christ is calling all of us to do, is to be a witness to His love, to know that we're all true miracles. We talked about this as well. Isaiah 49 says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands, and this is the proof, right? With all of us have the letter M with the lines on our palm. I traced one of mine here, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. We always remember that, our true potential, and that we can really achieve anything as long as we focus on the positive, make that an everyday habit, and keep being these divine beings that God intended all of us to be, and to step into our greatness and know that that starts with helping others achieve their goals and lifting them up higher than ourselves, being our best self, right? Again, thanks so much for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again. Until then, much love. And make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Hit the notification bell to get future updates for videos like this, and check out some of the other amazing clips in the playlist above, along with my website to track my journey as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.